Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian E. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, March 8, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ang ating series which is about Darwinian evolution. So ano ang Kristiyanong pananaw sa theory of evolution? Ang ating talata po para sa araw na ito ay magagaling sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. Sabi po rito, so God created mankind in His own image. In the image of God, He created them. Male and female, He created them. So upang natin mas maunawaan kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng ating talata para sa araw na ito at upang mas maintindihan natin ating devotion, ngayon po tayo padadako sa ating mga teachings for today. So una po, God created science. So yung science po. So yung science, it is the study of God's creation. So lahat po ng mga bagay, it reflects God order and wisdom ng ating Panginoon. So sa pamagitan po ng science, it helps us understand kung ano yung mundo na kanyang ginawa, wherein it reveals His majesty and purpose. Ikalawa po, secular education is not neutral. So yung secular education, it often teaches ideas and values na nagko-contradict sa biblical truth. In short, it is influenced by worldviews that don't acknowledge God. Kumbaga, it makes it inherently biased even though it might appear neutral. Katlo po, Christians must engage in science. So, yung mga Kristiyano po, tayo po, we are called to explore and to engage with science. So, by studying God's creation, by studying it with science, we honor Him and use knowledge natin para mas ma-advance pa natin yung kingdom niya, where it provides answers and solution na naka-align with Christian values. So ngayon po tayo pwede dako sa ating application. So ito ba yung mga dapat natin gawin? Una po, educate our kids on the foundation of knowledge. So turuan po natin yung mga anak nyo to acknowledge all things na related sa ating Panginoon. So help them understand that true wisdom comes from Him. Ikalawa po, expose secularism as a religion against God. Kasi yung secularism, it promotes beliefs na contradict sa ating Diyos. So by pointing this out, we help others see that secular ideas are not neutral but come from a worldview na ino-oppose ang katotohanan. Ikatlo po, engage science as a domain or territory of Christ. So po mga Kristiyano, we should take an active role sa siyensya, see it as an area where Christ's influence should be evident. So dapat let's engage with science in ways na ma-honor natin ating Panginoon. Maraming po tayo natutunan sa araw na ito.